Good afternoon guys, Lee from Source Sounds up in Sheffield, here to give you a little demonstration of this new Kenwood radio that we fitted into this nice little Toyota Aygo 2015. So you can see there, apart from the light reflection, we fitted a DMX5020DABS into this. So you can see that it's got the CarPlay screen on. So in the glove box for this, we've just got a little cable with the iPhone plugged in, and that will give you charging while using Apple CarPlay. Other options on this screen, you've got obviously FM and DAB standard, Bluetooth streaming. So if you're Bluetooth, we've got a separate microphone just fitted there at the side of his dash camera mount. So just go back down. On this car, we've also retained factory steering controls. So you can see there, it's actually turning the volume up and down. Changing the source, so you got into CarPlay, back into normal FM radio, AV input. As you can see there, the buttons are working fine. This vehicle also has a factory reverse camera, so we've retained that. So if I just pop it into reverse, see the camera comes up on there, and the blue lines are actually from the factory camera, giving you the grid lines for that. Pop that reverse, image disappears. If you need any further information on this type of car install or this particular model radio, if you want to give us a shout on 0114 257 1550. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.